Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your watch history on TikTok, of course. And to do that, you're just going to go to your profile, select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and privacy, and you're just going to select watch history, and that is where you can view your watch history. So for instance, if you do accidentally refresh it when you're watching like a video, you can find that video in this watch history. So yeah, that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button, which is like above the description box, I think, down below. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!